a matchup you don't see too often, but you see it here, ladies and gentlemen. This is round number 2, game number 1. Alright, taking it to FP. Good power dunk. Already gets 2 hits, 35% from Mr. Terry Bogart. Average getting some good fair trade going right here. This is really brought down. Still not enough. Gets hit by another power dunk.
I realize a lot of people use Terry. He's so favorable.
Yeah, Terry is definitely one of the favorites in this school. Pretty good too, I can see why. Great character, DLC privilege, has a really good comeback kick, which he gets at 100%, and he's very close to getting it.
Oh, both throwing bows. He has his go finally.
Nice job avoiding each shot and interaction there. Does not get hit by it.
Nice read.
Right? Let's see if he can grab. Oh, tries to just randomly go for it.
Oh, what?
What? I just see the other good punch and Terry going up in the sky. What happened? Alright, first time going average. Good stuff right here. He is a nice zoner, so.
Ooh, good read right there.
Good read right there, and zoning does not matter. Terry Bogart kills with the birdie knuckle.
That was my dodge. Oh, what a read. I didn't.
Right? Make sure he does not get hit by that bowling ball. That very, very heavy destructive. Yeah, power dunk.
A lot of power dunk action.
Best moves and confirms. Gets hit, no confirm. Dodges the forward smash by using crack shoe. Good stuff. Almost enough to take it. Great guy coming out from average. Oh, he tried to go for the spike there. Did not space it right. But average will space right. That forward smash gets the bowling ball on Terry's head. Bonk, get him out of here. Tries to go for a forward smash of his own. Misses it. Tells him to kick rocks. Oh, it's forward air. Punch, punch, punch.
Yeah, Terry in a tough spot right now. Only one stock.
Right?
Oh, and he misses the power dunk.
That's so unfortunate.
That is so.
He really needed that to get the super lead, but Average still holding on to the stock for dear life.
Oh, that's. And the bowling ball.
So
Another
fun.
one?
No!
Oh.
Okay.
Still alive.
Great stuff. Free still on his legs.
Oh my god!
Not that time, yo!
No!
Average on a great ledge pressure here.
He is.
Good traps.
He's the best bowler ever.
Best bowler ever. That's why he's got the #1 on his shirt. That's very, I like it. Alright, game number 2.
Alright. See a nice clean fight. Flight?
Fight.
Fight.
Flight of fights.
Flight
of
of fights.
flights. You know, a flight sounds really good. I could definitely go for a flight right now.
Actually.
Right? Flight to Hawaii.
Have you ever used to drink Prime?
I drank it once.
Okay.
Only once. And I heard about what happened recently.
Yeah, so.
You're like, dang, now do I got all these Prime.
It's so bad though.
It's so bad.
Let's get back to it.
Let's get back to our students. They're smarter than that. They do not drink Prime. They're all in at Prime right now. So game number 2 goes on. You take it to Town City, one of my favorite maps. Just because it's pretty. And we have Villager 2 defending his home turf. Hit him with the jabs. Ooh, good back here.
Oh!
Jumps into the
Right in the way.
Nice, brain knuckle. I only have go meter. Can we do something with it or average take him out?
Are you okay?
He does! He asked them the question, are you okay? What's the move?
I don't think it's okay after that.
I don't think so. As John finally takes the lead right now. onto the stock before I chopped it away.
Ooh.
Yo, he stuck his foot out and he died for it. Bro broke his toes.
Okay, with the bomb down spike combo. Both even right now, 2 stock.
Right? Trying to get some more damage. Good up there.
Nice.
Takes the Lloyd rocket away. Gets the power down. Has some stage control, but that might not matter too much against his villager. Oh. Oh, makes him bad. Stage safety.
Are you okay?
Not get the confirm that time, actually shielding it perfectly. Let's go average.
Down spike incoming.
Oh!
Down spike incoming.
Down spike
That was so
incoming.
clean.
He fell down the profit. You saw
Let's
it
go.
coming. That was beautiful. Let's go, John.
That was so clean.
Right? Oh my gosh, 121 here right now. So pretty good right now for John.
Okay.
He's able to pocket his own power wave. He can go hard. Okay.
Come on.
With the mid-set Tom, we love to see it. And the SD.
Oh no. Oh, with the bike.
He stays going forward.
Wait, the reason why the power wave didn't go that far is because it was used in the air. It doesn't go as far in the air. Power wave.
That was so good. And honestly, I'm glad that we got to see that happen. Because
That was so hilarious.
Only here, ladies and gentlemen.
Uh-oh. Oh, he jumped on his head, but
It wasn't
know what happened.
52 or 31. Hopefully that didn't cost him this match, because he is slightly behind, but definitely not out.
okay. They both close to high percentage.
Go here now.
Oh.
This is John's time to shine. The winner's side of things.
Oh, with the forward smash. Perfect timing because he was about to be out.
Let's go, John.
Oh my god.
Getting alive, forcing game number 3. Good forward smash.
Yo, that whole game was...
Alright. Moving on to game number 3. It's been some pretty awesome back and forth action. But this is it. One will move on to winners. One will go down to losers.
3, 2, 1, go!
And game number 3 is upon us, everyone.
They starting out strong. Perry got a full 29%, but Jaden, Austin, I'm not liking that.
I definitely get a lot of these students mixed up. There's so many of them. Such good talent over here.
Yes, sir. Oh, umbrella of death.
The face, get him off him.
He's really just kicking these bombs like it's nothing. What are in them shoes?
Some shoes are stronger.
Boy.
Okay, let's see here. Oh, actually misses.
I don't think they have their mic on. Yeah. So I don't think they can hear us.
Yeah, we're coming. No, we can hear you.
Oh, we can.
Oh.
Okay. We can hear you, but you guys can't hear us because we're commentating.
We can hear you.
Oh, okay. You said the mic was off.
Well, anyways, why was I never told that it's happening?
We said it in the Discord.
Okay?
But
Fine.
we're focusing on the match. You can look at yourself. I can get the bust to whoop right now. Good stuff going to John taking the first stop in game number 3. And Average actually hitting back with the back air.
Back to back.
Literally, dude, these guys do not want to go into losers right now. Ooh, gets forward smash, no hits up. Not able to beat the Void Rocket with neutral air. Just fucking
he is
jab
fighting.
won it. Alright, Terry, we see you.
Okay.
Gets a jab into power dunk. Mixed up right now, 69 38. Harry one thing, get hit by the other. Oh,
No, they're
no.
throwing fists right now.
Ryan gets outraged by the boxing gloves. Tries to go for a random forward smash. Does not get it. Pretty knuckle. Does not work.
Ooh,
He's lucky.
almost.
He's lucky he didn't get the spike hitbox. I wish I saw that, but what do you get this time around? Tells him to kick cross.
Good dash attack.
Very good dash attack. Now the late hit of it actually hit it before the first hit, which was invincible from the neutral B. And
That'll do it.
that'll do it indeed. It looked like I was just holding way too away for that, but he wasn't 100%.
Yep, so green is taking the lead right now in this stock.
Alright, it's looking good right now. He's got gold meter. Almost
Oh.
actually died through the tree. So lucky that.
Ooh, good dough.
Let's go. Get the power geyser. Oh. Yo!
Whoa.
Bro, he almost did it again. Alright, jab, 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 jab. He's gonna make it back. Nice and safe. Oh! Spike of his own. Alright, guys. One stock apiece. 39-0.
Yeah, he's been searching for that spike. He finally found it.
Gets the grab into up air, an up throw. So okay.
Yeah, 50%, 60%.
Right, gets the down air. Spike.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, average. That seals the deal. DIing away, but not for stage. Dying super early. And just like that, John moves on.